The National Testing Agency has released the CUET Application Form 2022 for UG programs. You can fill and submit the CUET UG 2022 application form till May 6. You are advised to fill the CUET Application Form 2022 with utmost care because even one incorrect detail can result in you losing your candidacy for admission. Thus, we have created this step-by-step video tutorial to help you with the CUET 2022 application process. Registration. You need to visit the CUET admission portal at cuet.samarth.ac.in and click on the registration tab. Read the given instructions carefully to know how to fill up the application form online through NTA website cuet.samarth.ac.in. After reading the instructions, mark the declaration and click on the Click Here to Proceed tab. Now, the registration form will be displayed on the screen. In the first section of the application form, you have to provide your personal details. The personal details will include your name, date of birth, father's name, mother name, gender, nationality and identity proof. Here, you have to provide your present address along with a mobile number. Next section is permanent address. If your permanent address is the same as the present address, then you should tick the box. If not, you will have to provide your permanent address. Now create a password of 8 to 13 characters having one special character, one uppercase character, one lowercase character and one numeric value. For example, test@123. Then re-enter the password to confirm it. Choose a security question and then answer it. In the last section, you have to enter the provided security PIN. Press the submit to complete the registration process. Review page. Check the details mentioned in all the sections of the application form. After checking the mentioned details, you have to verify the 8 particular details by marking the box given beside the details and declaration. If you wish to change any details in the registration form, then you have to click on the Edit Registration Details. To submit the registration form and proceed further, click on Submit and send OTP to mobile. Enter OTP. After submitting the registration form, a OTP will be sent to the registered mobile number. Enter the OTP security PIN and press the Submit tab. Application status. After submitting the registration form, a new page will appear displaying the application number and an email will be sent to your registered email ID containing the application number. Now, to proceed further and fill the application form, click on the Continue. Filling the application form. Personal details. Similar to the registration process, in the first section of the application form, you have to provide your personal details, some of which will be pre-filled. After providing the personal details in the application form, check the present address you mentioned earlier in the registration form, and if you want to make any changes, you may do so. Next, the permanent address will be displayed and you make changes if you wish to. You can also simply mark the box given on the left side if your permanent address is the same as your present one. Quota and category. If you belong to any of these quotas and categories, select yes, and if not, choose no. Now if you wish to go back and make any changes in the application form, press back. To save all the details, click on the Save. Application form review. An application form filled with personal details will be displayed on the screen. After reviewing the form, if you wish to go to the previous stage, click on Back to Dashboard. To edit the personal details, press Update Personal Form, and to move on to the next procedure, click on the Proceed to Next section. Education details. Now, you need to submit your education details. First, you will have to enter your class 10th qualification details. After this, you will need to provide your class 12th education details. After entering your education details, press back to go to the previous page or click on Save to proceed further. After clicking Save, A duly filled application form filled with educational details will appear on the screen. After checking the details, click on Previous section to go back. To change any detail, press Update Educational Form, and to move forward, click on the Proceed to Next section. Select the university and program of your choice and then click on the Add button. If you wish to remove the program you have selected, then press Remove and choose another program. Now proceed to the next section by clicking on University Program Selection Preview. Review the selected program and university. To make any changes, click on the Update tab given on the top right or Update Program Form button on the bottom. Press Proceed to Next section and move forward to the next procedure. Test paper or subject selection. First, read the rules for selection and then check out the table to know how many language or domain-specific subjects you can select. Next, go to the first slot menu and select your test subjects. Now, do the same in the second slot menu. Review the test subjects you have selected. Then mark the declaration and click on Save. Check the test subjects you have selected in slot 1 and 2. After going through the details, click on Previous section to go back. To change any detail, press Update Test Paper Subjects Form, and to move forward, click on the Proceed to Next section. Exam Center Details. In this section, you will have to choose the medium of your question paper and 4 exam centers as per your convenience. After selecting the exam centers, press Save. Double check the exam centers you have selected. To go back, click on Previous section. To change any detail, press Update Examination Center Form, and to move forward, click on the Proceed to Next section. Upload documents. Here you will have to upload the photograph, signature and class 10th documents in the specified format and size. After selecting the photo and signature, click on Start Upload to upload the documents or press Cancel to remove these documents. Once you have uploaded the documents, press the Proceed to Preview section tab. Review the duly filled application form. Check all the details you have mentioned in the application form before proceeding to the payment section. Particulars to be verified. At the end of the application form, you have to verify some particular details by marking the box beside the given details and declaration. After verifying the details and marking the details, click on Proceed to Payment to pay the application fee. Confirm email ID. Enter your email ID in the second box to confirm it. Then enter the security PIN and press Verify. Now a verification code will be sent on the email ID you have mentioned in the second box. Enter that code here. After entering the verification code, press Verify. Application status. Now a new window will appear displaying that you have completed the second stage of the application process and can move on to the last stage, paying the application fee. To pay the application fee, click on the Continue. Now all sections of the application form with details will be displayed and you will have to go through them again. Check the details again and make any changes if necessary. If all details are correct, keep moving to the next section until you are on the Registration Payment section. Registration Payment. Check the necessary details for payment. Choose the payment gateway to pay the fee. Check the amount to be paid and click on Pay Now to complete payment or press Click here to go back if you wish to go to the previous section. Once you click on Pay Now, provide the required information and pay the application fee. You should keep the receipt of fee payment safe until the complete admission process is over. After paying the application fee, click on the Download to download the application form. For more information about the application process of CUET 2022, check the description below.